Hey folks, Rich Brome from Phone Scoop here with a quick tour of the highlights of the new OnePlus 6T. OnePlus makes only one kind of phone, affordable flagships, and that's what we have here. The 6T reaches its sub $600 price point by sacrificing a few features found on the priciest flagship phones, like wireless charging and a Quad HD display. But there are no compromises in other areas, like the premium all-screen design, top-end Snapdragon 845 processor, plenty of RAM, and high-quality camera sensors. The 6T comes in two finishes for the rear glass, glossy and matte. The glossy one attracts fingerprints like mad, but the matte finish is one of the nicest I've ever touched. It has a soft touch texture that's luxuriously silky. The phone is also a great size, weight, and has just enough curves going on. Honestly, it's one of the best feeling phones I've ever held. OnePlus has kept its wonderful slider switch on the side for switching between silent, vibrate, and ring. Yes, there's a notch in the display. It's a small one though. Just as with the Essential phone, they've kept the notch tiny by tucking the earpiece into the very top edge, so the notch is strictly for the selfie camera. You can also opt for a black bar that effectively hides the notch, but keeps your indicators and time visible at the top. This is a key option if you ask me. There's also a fingerprint reader built right into the display, a very neat trick. The dual cameras include a 16-megapixel main sensor from Sony, plus a 20-megapixel second lens for sensing depth and doing the portrait mode that's all the rage these days. OnePlus has revamped their portrait mode this year and added a fancy enhanced night mode as well. The phone can record 4K video, slow motion video, and has a good manual mode. The front camera is also 16-megapixel. OnePlus says the 6T is also designed to be water resistant, although they declined to have it officially rated for that. There's also NFC on board. There's no memory card slot and no 3.5mm audio jack, but they do offer USB-C earbuds for just $20, and it will work with standards-compliant USB-C earbuds. For $550, you get a thoughtfully designed phone that checks the key boxes for a lot of people. For the first time ever, this OnePlus is coming to a US carrier. You can check it out in T-Mobile stores on Thursday. Look for our full review soon.